Okay, so what I'm working on today is the ignition pack for the blue Buick. Wasn't firing on one cylinder, so I decided to open it up and take a look. Here's what I found. This nasty green sticky crap is referred to as the green ooze of failure. I have no idea how many miles this thing has on it. It came from my sister's car and I swapped it with the other one so she could drive her car since the engine's bad on this one. So it probably has about 200,000 miles. Pretty bad. Should look something like this. I don't know what's wrong with this one. I just know that the car it came from wasn't running so well. So I'll try this one instead, see if it fires on all cylinders. Okay, I'm going to try starting the car without the valve covers. See if I can tell where that terrible racket's coming from. Correction, valve cover. I took the front one off, but not the back. It's too much of a pain. Okay, I'm going to bring it over each valve. I don't really see anything unusual. A lot of oil spilling off down below though, so I better turn it off. Okay, here it is running. Put the covers back on. See that exhaust spouting out of there? I can hear a kind of a booming noise when I take the fill cap off. Feels like exhaust. Smells like exhaust. I say it is exhaust. Shuddering a lot. Blowing smoke everywhere. Interesting. Well, it's running better than it has for a long time. I just replaced the electrical pack. Still sounds absolutely horrible. Still smells rich. Yeah, it's still misfiring on at least one cylinder. I'm going to take it for a drive around the yard, see what happens then.